Hello friends, I am Professor Sriram Shinde. Today I am going to introduce p block elements. This is the periodic table in which p block elements are situated in between group 13 to group 18. The p block elements are defined as the last electron enters into the p orbital. P block elements are placed in groups 13 to 18 of the periodic table. All these elements are known as representative elements. The valence shell electronic configuration of p block elements are ns2np1 to ns2np6 except helium, which has 1s2 electronic configuration. The elements of this group are called as nicogens. Now general introduction of group 15 elements. This is the group 15, that is the nitrogen family, in which nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are present, out of which nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, whereas arsenic and antimony are metallides and bismuth is only the metal. Now we are going to see the occurrence. Nitrogen occurs as sodium nitrate, NaNO3, potassium nitrate. Phosphorus occurs as mineral of apatite, for example fluorapatite. Arsenic, antimony and bismuth with sulfide mineral. Electronic configuration, that is valence shell electronic configuration of these elements is NH2 NP3. These are the representative elements with their symbols, atomic numbers and electronic configuration. Trends in physical and chemical properties. Atomic and physical properties of the group 15 elements. This is the table which shows the different physical properties, that is atomic number, atomic masses, electronic configuration, ionization enthalpies, that is for ionization enthalpy first, second and third, then electronegativity, covalent radii, ionic radii, melting and boiling points and density. From this particular table we can conclude that the ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing gradually from nitrogen to bismuth, that is from top to bottom, as well as the electronegativity. Electronegativity also have a gradual decrease, and this happens due to gradual increase in atomic size from top to bottom, that is from nitrogen to bismuth. Now we are going to see the physical properties. Atomic and ionic radii increases from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases from top to bottom from the group, ionization enthalpy decreases as size increases, non-metallic and metallic character. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, arsenic and antimony are metalloid, whereas bismuth is typical metal. It means that metallic character increases down the group. Physical appearance and density. Nitrogen is a gas and exists as a diatomic molecule with a triple bond between the two atoms. The density of these elements increases down the group. Atomic volume and melting point. Atomic volume increases down the group, melting point do not showing the regular gradation. Allotropy. All the members of group 15 elements except bismuth exhibit the phenomenon of allotropy. It means that generally non-metals show allotropy. Bismuth is a metal, therefore it is not showing the allotropy. These are the different allotropic forms of the nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Nitrogen shows alpha and beta nitrogen, phosphorus shows white phosphorus, red phosphorus and black phosphorus, arsenic shows grey metallic, yellow, black phosphorus, whereas antimony shows metallic form, yellow or a explosive form, and their respective structures are given. Alpha nitrogen shows cubic crystal, beta nitrogen shows hexagonal crystalline, white phosphorus tetrahedral, red phosphorus complex chain forms pKj, P4Kjs, black phosphorus layered structure, grey metallic, yellow, black, all the arsenic shows layer structure, and antimony, all the antimony allotropic form shows layer structure. Bismuth is radioactive elements. Bismuth is only the radioactive element. Now conductivity, nitrogen and phosphorus non-conductors, arsenic poor conductor, antimony good conductor, whereas bismuth is very good conductor because it is only the metal. Now we are going to see the oxidation state. The electronic configuration of elements is NH2NP3. The members of the group 15 exhibit a number of positive and negative oxidation states. Common oxidation states of these elements are +3, +5 and -3. The stability of +3 oxidation state increases and +5 oxidation state decreases from nitrogen to bismuth due to the inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect? Inert pair effect is defined as the pair of electrons from s orbital remain pair and it does not participate in the bond formation. Nitrogen shows all the oxidation states between -3 to +5, and this is the variety of oxidation states showing by nitrogen. In ammonia -3 N2H4 -2, in NH2OH it shows -1 OS. In nitrogen it is a N2 in which triple bond is present between two nitrogen atoms, therefore there is a 0. N2O +1, NO +2, HNO2 +3, NO2 +4, HNO3 +5. Now the chemical properties. With air it gives a nitrogen oxide. Action of acids. HNO3 with phosphorus gives phosphoric acid, antimony gives oxide, whereas bismuth gives nitrate. It means that phosphorus, antimony and bismuth are showing different trends, that is different chemical trends. With HNO3 phosphorus gives acid, antimony gives oxide, whereas bismuth gives nitrate. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid has no action on nitrogen but reacts with phosphorus and arsenic forming oxyacids. Antimony and bismuth forms their sulfates in their tripositive states. Alkali have no action on nitrogen. Now, properties of hydrides of group 15 elements. Hydrides means nitrogen has ammonia. Nitrogen when forms every atom, every element when reacts with hydrogen to form a hydride. That is ammonia, phosphine, ASH3, SbH3 and BH3. All these are the hydrides of group 15 elements and their different properties. Tendency to form hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? When electronegative atom like oxygen, nitrogen or fluorine when forms a bond with hydrogen, then that type of bond is called as hydrogen bonding. Only ammonia is stable to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with itself as well as with water molecule. Thermal stability of hydrides going to be decreased down. Ammonia has a highest stability and BiH3 has a lowest stability. Now we are going to see the anomalous nature of the nitrogen. What is anomalous nature? Anomalous nature means it is an odd nature. Nitrogen behaves different than all the other elements of the from this family, and anomalous nature is due to the small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and most important, non-availability of d orbital. As we know that nitrogen does not contain d orbital because it is from the second period of the periodic table. Nitrogen has unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other elements having small size and high electronegativity.